Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a Mullein divination wash. And whether you read tarot cards or you want to just do this before any magical working, this Mullein wash can be used to rinse your hands, or you can even put it into a spray bottle and use it to cleanse the area before you begin. You are going to need orange peel, mugwort, sage, mullein, rosemary, lavender, and lemongrass. This recipe will yield about 2 cups of liquid, and I used about 2 to 4 tablespoons of dried herbs. You're also going to need about 1/4 cup of sea salt. You can add more or less herbs depending on how much of this wash you're going to make. This magical wash comes from the personal power chapter in my book, Plant Magic for the Beginner Witch, which comes out tomorrow. You can use fresh or dried herbs, or you can even infuse the herbs into an alcohol, somewhat like a tincture, so it will last you a lot longer. We're going to start off by adding the sea salt, and you can enchant this however you want. When I'm doing a big batch like this, I like to just run it through my hands and focus on the intention for the spell. So I'm just going to be focusing on protection, opening up my third eye for whatever divination work I'm going to be doing today. Next, you're going to be adding your mugwort, and mugwort has a lot of associations with dream work, psychic visions, astral projection, and opening up your consciousness. Mugwort is also well known for its use in consecrating tools for divination or any other tools that you might find on your altar. It is also highly protective, so it's going to keep you safe in whatever magical workings or spells you're going to be taking part in. Next up is sage, and sage is most well known for its properties of healing and cleansing, but it's also known for its ability to keep a clear mind, an open mind, and for mental strength and agility. Sage will help clear out any negative energies surrounding you or your space while you're doing your divination work. Next up is lemongrass, and lemongrass carries with it the element of air, which relates to the mind and wisdom. The scent of lemongrass is said to stimulate psychic awareness through inhalation or visualization of the herb. In this recipe, lavender works to bring you clarity. It also enhances the potential for your magical workings. It assists bringing your work into manifestation. Lavender will also help you relax before any divination work, so you can ease into it with a clear, calm mind. Mullein helps protect you and safeguard you from evil spirits, curses, and even nightmares. Mullein will also instill a sense of courage within you. Next, you're going to add rosemary, and I love adding rosemary to any of my protection rituals. It is not only a highly protective herb, but it also aids concentration and memory. It will help you keep alert and focused during your divining. Next is orange peel, and I added orange to this recipe because citrus has a very bright, happy, upbeat energy, but it also keeps you calm and relaxed. Citrus in general also has a very deep, cleansing and purifying energy, which I wanted to make sure was a part of this blend. Once you have your salt and herb mixture all set up in your bowl, you can continue to run the mixture between your fingers or enchant it however you wish. This is how the final mixture will look before you add in all your liquids. Add about a splash or so of mint water into the bowl. If you can't find mint water, you can also just substitute dried mint leaves or even a few drops of peppermint essential oil. The last ingredient is going to be warm water. At this point, if you want to make a blend that's going to last longer than a few days, you can add some vodka or any other kind of alcohol that you want to use. Now you're going to want to work the herbs with your hands, just squeezing them between your fingers for about 5 minutes, just focusing again on your intentions. Agitating the herbs with your hands will help release all of the constituents and oils contained within the herbs. You're essentially making a big batch of tea. If you like, you can add a few amethyst chips into your bottle. This is what the finished tea looks like after you strain it. Tea is obviously going to be perishable, so if you want to keep this long term, I would suggest that you use an alcohol base instead of water, but the water will last you a few days. But if you want to extend the life for maybe 1 to 1.5 weeks, you can also keep it in the fridge. I would suggest using a spray bottle, but all I could find was this pump top bottle used for lotion, but hey, it worked. So now just cleanse the outside of your bottle and the inside and the pump or spray top with a lavender wand or any other kind of incense. Amethyst is known for its highly spiritual, intuitive, and psychic properties, which is why I thought this would make a great stone for this blend. Now just fill up your bottle with the herb mixture and you're ready to go. To use this wash, pump or spray a little bit onto your hands before you take part in any divination, ritual work, or spell work to help guide you, keep a clear mind, and to help protect you throughout your working. You can also use this to wash your crystals, your crystal ball, use it to anoint yourself with, spray it around your room or wherever it is that you're working, or you can even use a few drops on any of your tools. Even spray this on your altar cloth or whatever table you're working on before you lay out your pendulums or tarot cards or runes. I hope you guys like this recipe, and if you have any other questions or comments, make sure to leave them down below. Thanks for watching!